Well, honestly, I think the future of manufacturing, I think we've got some rough roads ahead of it. I think there's a lot of people that don't realize exactly how important it is that we know how to make things in this country. Um, and it's one of those things you can't wait for others to make it happen. So we're reinvesting in our community. We're proactively finding the next generation of very talented kids, and we're bringing them in and educating them in things like our Twist program, where we have 4 to 5 kids a year that we put through a really intense experience and get them going on a career the right way. You know, we're very active in funding robotics programs, because I think every kid that wants to make something and have things work and understand how to make things work, they need to be given that opportunity. And the other part is, you know, we're really looking to bring in diverse people into manufacturing by creating a company that looks and feels different. It's got to be cool. You got to have bright people. You've got to have a purpose. You've got to have fun while you're doing it. And I think if we don't do that, not just at Sanderson McLeod, but anywhere else in the country, I think we're in for a real rough road. But it's the hill we're going to die on in terms of making it happen here. And we've been here for over 100 years, and we're going to be here for as long as we possibly can. But that's where manufacturing is going. It's going to come down to community. It's going to come back to the values that got us to a place of position earlier.